Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about how to set availability on Setmore. Setmore is a great scheduling platform that's perfect for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It's easy to use and it has a lot of great features, including the ability to set availability. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set your availability on Setmore, including how to set your working hours, days of the week, and specific time slots. Before we get started, I want to ask you a question. How do you currently manage your availability? Do you use a calendar? Do you use a spreadsheet? Or do you just keep track of it in your head? If you're currently using a calendar or spreadsheet, you know how time-consuming it can be to keep track of your availability. With Setmore, you can easily set your availability and forget about it. So, let's get started. How to set availability on Setmore. Log in to your Setmore account. Click on the Settings tab. Click on the Availability tab. Set your working hours. Set your days of the week. Set your specific time slots. Click on the Save button. Now that you've set your availability, you can start booking appointments. Here are a few tips for setting your availability. Be realistic about your availability. Don't set yourself up for failure by setting your availability too tight. Be sure to include your lunch break and any other breaks you take during the day. If you're offering services that require more time, be sure to block out enough time for those appointments. If you're offering services to multiple people, be sure to block out enough time for those appointments as well. Be sure to review your availability regularly and make any necessary changes. In addition to setting your availability, you can also use Setmore to create custom booking forms, send automated appointment confirmations, track your appointments, generate reports, and more. Setmore is a powerful tool that can help you save time and manage your business more effectively. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. And be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips on how to use Setmore. Thanks for watching.